Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your income, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 8 best ways to earn $100 a day with ChatGPT. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Let's get started. 1. Freelance writing. First up is freelance writing. With ChatGPT, you can create articles, blog posts, or marketing copy in a fraction of the time. Just provide ChatGPT with a topic or keyword, and it can generate high-quality content that you can then edit and pitch to clients. Capitalize on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Many clients pay anywhere from $20 to $100 for articles, so with just 1 or 2 projects a day, you could easily hit your $100 goal. 2. Social media management. Next, we have social media management. Businesses are always looking for someone to manage their social accounts. You can use ChatGPT to create engaging posts, plan content calendars, and even respond to comments. With proper management, you could charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month per client. Just snag a couple of clients, and you're set. 3. Content creation for YouTube. Do you want to start your own YouTube channel? You can use ChatGPT to help script your videos. Content creation is in high demand, and if you produce a few videos a week, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. A well-researched video can pull in views, and with the right niche, those views can turn into dollars very quickly. 4. Ebook writing. Have something to say? Try your hand at ebook writing. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, create outlines, and even write entire chapters. Once you have your book completed, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. A well-marketed ebook can earn you passive income, easily hitting that $100 in a day if it takes off. 5. Online tutoring. How about online tutoring? If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer tutoring services. ChatGPT can assist you in creating lesson plans and explaining complex concepts in simple terms. Platforms like Chegg or Tutor.com connect tutors with students, and you can charge $20 to $50 per hour. A few sessions a day can quickly lead to your $100 goal. 6. Creating online courses. Everyone loves learning. Why not create online courses? Use ChatGPT to help outline and structure your course content. Sites like Udemy and Teachable are great platforms to sell your courses. If your course is valuable and marketed well, a single sale could equal your daily earnings goal. 7. Virtual assistant services. Consider offering virtual assistant services. ChatGPT can help you manage emails, schedule appointments, and even serve as a customer service chatbot. With businesses needing help, you could charge anywhere from $25 to $75 per hour. Taking on just a couple of clients can easily put you over the $100 mark. 8. Affiliate marketing. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. You can utilize ChatGPT to help write reviews or create content that promotes affiliate products. With affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your link. If you generate some solid traffic to your content, a few sales can quickly add up to your daily earnings target. And there you have it. 8 effective ways to earn $100 a day using ChatGPT. Remember, the key is consistency and leveraging these methods to find what works best for you. Which method do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on earning with AI.